Assalamu alaikum guys. Assalamu alaikum my dear follower. Today I'm going to show you a WinForm project of mine. Okay? Because you were not taking interest. I felt like because there were very few people who were touching or who were opening the link. Okay? So here is the Visual Studio 2022. Here is the calculator 8. Actually my laptop is open in the tablet mode. Okay? So just ignore it. You can do it on your laptop, which is just like a normal one. I mean that which has not tablet mode. And sorry for my voice because my throat is a little upset. Okay. By the way, I have shared all the code in a docs file in the description below. Okay. I'm just going to show you this. Okay. Actually, 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, let me move it here. Okay. This is the share X. Okay, you can also use it like 35 plus 8. Sorry if it is hanging because it is recording and performing the calculations at the same time. Uh, Layer, and this is for the reciprocal, like, okay. This is for the square, and this is for the vectorial, and this is for the, sorry, 90, because that is clear. Actually, this is the absolute value. A computer science student can understand this. You can also track it from and 90 cause same is the case for this. I just don't want to waste my time. Let me show you just okay this. Okay. Now maybe take 1 minute. 5 or 9 calculate. Maybe it has an error. I will resolve it or you can do it. Because I am a student of first semester and I am not good at it. Okay. I'm just giving you an idea so you can improve yourself and come to this level. Okay. Try to understand my point. I am not a genius. I am not a genius. I am not a smart boy. I am just 20 years old and I will be 21 in August 2022. It's mentioned on my bio as well, Instagram bio. Now let's see, for example, the temperature of my room is 22 degrees centigrade like this. Okay, because I have turned on the air conditioner on heat mode. Now convert it to Fahrenheit. Okay, you can also do it like add a checkbox here. Okay, if you can see the tabs, and after adding that, you can choose if the temperature in this here, okay, is in centigrade or Fahrenheit. By the way, you can also add some error providers here to allow only numbers to come here because obviously if I do this, then it will show an exception. Oh, sorry, I have to click here. Oh, okay, like this, kilometers per second. Let's try this. Like, let's try 36. Okay, 36 kilometers. It's equal to 10. Actually, these labels are added just for monitoring the output. Okay, while designing this application, it has been about 1 month since I designed. Since I did last modification, I suddenly hit upon an idea that I could upload it on docs and help other people. Obviously, it's the benefit of my country, Pakistan. Okay. I'm doing it in hurry so you can confirm these values from Google by pausing this video because this video is going to be uploaded on YouTube. Okay, maybe clear and yeah, yeah, this is also working. Okay, by default here is 0. Okay, you can see the code is in the form of docs file in the description below in the YouTube video. Okay, now I am going to pause this video by clicking here